Hello, and welcome to Short Quick Sort tutorial with an examples. And do not forget to subscribe this channel for more tutorials. So let's get started. Introduction. Quicksort is a popular and efficient sorting algorithm used to arrange elements in a specific order. It is a divide and conquer algorithm, meaning it works by recursively breaking down the problem into smaller subproblems. Quicksort algorithm explanation. Select a pivot element from the array. Partitioning. Rearrange the array so that all elements with values less than the pivot come before the pivot, while all elements with values greater than the pivot come after it. After this partitioning, the pivot is in its correct position. Recursively apply the above steps to the subarrays on the left and right of the pivot. Example. Let's sort the array 5, 2, 4, 6, 1, 3, 2 using quicksort. Choose the first element, 5, as the pivot. Partitioning. Compare each element to the pivot, 5. Elements less than 5, 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, are placed before the pivot. Elements greater than 5, 6, are placed after the pivot. The array is now 2, 2, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. Recursively apply quicksort to the left subarray, 2, 2, 1, 3, 4, and the right subarray, 6. The left subarray is sorted, and the right subarray only has one element, so the overall array is now sorted. 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Conclusion. Quicksort is a highly efficient sorting algorithm with an average time complexity of O(n) log n. It is widely used in practice due to its speed and efficiency. The key steps are selecting a pivot, partitioning the array, and recursively applying the algorithm to the subarrays. Thank you for watching. I hope you like this tutorial. Like, share and subscribe to this channel for more.